On Saturday, July 26th, Union Gospel Mission and Concert Properties threw the 16th annual Summer Barbecue for our community and neighbors. With support from Canadian Web Hosting, the 700 Club, and nearly 200 volunteers, Crab Park was transformed into the place to be for food, fun, music, and kids' entertainment. From bouncy castles to oceanfront scenery, freezies to music, Crab Park became a respite for the young and old. Like Union Gospel Mission's other community meals, the barbecue helps make the season fun and memorable for so many who struggle day by day, but its impact runs even deeper. UGM meals are a chance for those challenged with homelessness, addiction, and chronic poverty to connect with UGM outreach workers and to become acquainted with the assistance available to them. So many people who have been helped by our services first connected to UGM through our meals. Once connected, they see their nutrition, shelter, and basic needs resolved. More importantly, they find that at UGM they are loved and accepted. As survival needs are met and a seed of hope is planted, those struggling are able to take a breath and think about their future. With the help of our trained outreach workers, community members learn how to get connected to our alcohol and drug recovery program, our stabilization beds program, our education program, our job readiness program, housing and referrals, and so much more. One meal can be the start of a life recovery.